Yo, what's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today is freaking hot, 105 degrees, and we're gonna be doing our first mod to the 335. More of a cosmetic thing, not an aftermarket mod, or like aftermarket part. We're gonna be wrapping the hood today because the hood on here is boof. The oxidation on the hood is just unbearable, so we're gonna be wrapping it satin black, give it a little sporty look for now until we wrap the entire car. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing today. We're gonna be meeting up with my boy Renee's, and we're gonna be getting it done, show you guys, try to record it, and yeah, I'm gonna try to get better at my wrapping skills. So we'll see how it goes. So yeah, follow along today. And oh yeah, I got the BMW registered. Probably didn't know, but it wasn't registered. I got it all registered, flying colors, which means we are ready to start modding. Smog, all that stuff's been taken care of. We have nothing to worry about, and yeah, so we're good to start modding. So yeah, but anyways, gotta go pick the kids up right now, and then head to my boys to pick up the wrap, and then I'm heading to Renee's so that we can install it. So yeah, stay tuned. Let's do it. Yo, what's good? We're here right now, about to get started wrapping the BMW. He's just getting it prepped up right now. It's hotter than a mother. Like, I'm dripping sweat right now. It's nasty. But we're gonna end up doing the roof, and we're gonna do the hood and a little back mask I like to do on BMWs, give it a little bit of contrast. So, but yeah, let's get into it. It's gonna be difficult. It's hot in here. We're trying to cool the car off because I drove it for too long. The hood's too hot. It's gonna make the wrap too tacky. So we'll see how it goes, and stay tuned. So right now what I'm doing is I'm starting by using a clay bar and claying the roof. Try to get whatever debris off, and helps the wrap go down, stick a little better too. Gotta keep it moist though. It's really, really hot out here. Really, really hot. So yeah, I do this all the way around. Trust me, I'm no rapper, so just learning. All right, so we just laid the wrap down right here, and so it, like I said, it's just on the roof right now. So just gonna keep going at it and seeing how it is. I would time lapse it, but yeah, not really, not today. And you can see right here, just sitting there smoothing it out right now. It's looking pretty damn good. Whole back is done. We cut around the antenna, and yeah, got it's pretty much laid down now. Just need to start trimming up the edges and start cutting this right here for the sunroof. But it's already all the way around, so it looks really good. It laid down really nice. Pretty happy with the results so far. Yeah, just a little bit of time, a little effort. But I'm telling you right now, I'm dripping sweat, like freaking pouring. It's nasty in here with the AC on. But that's me, always rushing how to do things when it's the hottest time of the day. Okay, so we just prepped the surface right now for the hood, clay barred it, and basically we're gonna get ready to throw that wrap on here. The roof came out tremendous, you know, and now we're just gonna try to do the hood and then a little back piece and we'll be done. God, it is nasty. Nasty hot. Even with the AC on 60 degrees, it's just so hot on the outside, and then the car, the hood generating so much heat from me driving it around. Should have just waited and let it sit, but you know me, impatient. Want to get these videos pumped out, want to get these mods done. I got new stuff coming, new stuff I'm going to be doing, so it's just like I got to get this stuff done, got to stay on schedule, got to stay on schedule. I'm sweating for you guys. Just like that, it just got pulled out. It looks tremendous. Changes it up, gives it a lot sportier look for now. Ties in with the roof. So we unfortunately didn't have enough wrap to do the back mask, so I'll have to see if I have some more wrap somewhere else, and I'll go ahead and do that later. But yeah, it looks really good. Really good. Couple more things coming that'll tie that all in and make it look better. It's just starting to not look like an old lady's car. Alright, so now you guys can see it in the sun. You can see my vision now, how it looks a lot more clean. Just flows, and like I said, once all the other parts get here, it will really start tying it together and bringing it in. I want to say the next video we're going to be doing stuff with the calipers and the wheels, and I want to say I have a tint appointment, and I ordered some aesthetics for the car, so you guys gotta have to wait and see what I got. And I know we have some suspension work coming late in the next few videos. So yeah, well, this is it. This is what she's looking like for right now. You know, this is what, day 3 of owning it, you know. Budget build, I think we're gonna go off of that. We're gonna start doing a budget build to begin. Get yourself a cheap, affordable car, make it look good, and then maybe later on we'll start dumping some real money into it, see how much I like the build. So yeah, okay, it is late, but I was able to locate some more wrap, so I'm gonna be trying to attempt to do this part last little bit by myself. Turn this camera on so you can see. So right here we're gonna be wrapping this lower part of the trunk. Here's the wrapper here, satin black. So I just took the license plate off and I cleaned the surface right now. So that's what it looks like. There's your VIN. And yeah, so we're gonna start trying to lie this down and we'll see how it goes. Okay, that was a son of a bitch. I'm dripping fucking sweat, but I got it done. It's on. It's there. Plate's back on. I'm not happy with the overall. I mean, it'll pass. But yeah, I'm not happy with it. It's gonna get redone, guaranteed. Not happy. Alright, so that's gonna do it for today's video. Man, it's been a long, very hot learning experience for me today. Yeah, but appreciate everybody who stayed along. Stay tuned. I got a lot more things coming for the car. And yeah, so like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. So let's go.